Nowadays, people use headphones a lot, especially people who play games. If you look, you can find all kinds of headphones in the market, no matter which company you buy from, or how expensive it is. It is important to learn how to use it, otherwise it can cause a lot of damage to you. He can't give you the company's thing. He can give you the same thing that you are using. Do not exceed 30 to 40. My brothers and sisters, don't use it so much that tomorrow you have to go to the hospital because of it or take all the money you have earned and give it to your ears. Just be careful. Keep the volume low, at least 20. If you can't keep it in 20, 20 to 30 or 40, don't go above 40.